Are you preparing for CLAT 2024? Here's what you need to know. The Common Law Admission Test, or CLAT, is a pivotal stepping stone for those who dream of making a career in law. This year, the Consortium of National Law Universities will conduct the CLAT 2024 on December 3, 2023. This exam paves the way to both undergraduate and postgraduate law courses at premier institutions across the nation. But it's not just about preparing for the questions, it's also about understanding the rules and regulations that govern the examination process. The exam will be held offline, meaning you will need to be physically present at the test center. The consortium has set strict time guidelines for the process. Candidates must arrive at the test center by 1 in the afternoon. This allows a half-hour window for settling into your seats, as the test commences promptly at 2 o'clock. Once the clock strikes 2, candidates cannot leave until 4 in the afternoon. The test duration spans 2 hours, a period that can extend up to 2 hours and 40 minutes for candidates with disabilities or those classified as SAP. Now, what should you bring along? An admit card, a government-issued ID proof, and for PWD or SAP candidates, a disability certificate is a must. There's a range of documents accepted as ID proof, including your Aadhaar card, passport, or PAN card. The CLAT 2024 is more than just an exam. It's a testament to your dedication, perseverance, and your ability to adhere to the rules. It's a stepping stone towards the fulfilling and respected career path you've chosen. So, make sure you understand the rules, prepare well, and walk into the examination hall with confidence and clarity. The path to achieving your law dreams is not always easy, but with the right preparation and mindset, it is certainly achievable. In a nutshell, the CLAT 2024 will be conducted on December 3, 2023 by the Consortium of National Law Universities. It's an offline exam that requires candidates to bring their admit card, a government-issued ID, and a disability certificate for PWD or SAP candidates. Remember, the road to success is paved with discipline, perseverance, and a thorough understanding of the rules.